Welcome to Waterborepump Warehouse. We're happy to help with all your Waterborepump needs. Feel free to give us a call.
Okay, we're getting ready to set up our solar panel installation for tomorrow, just making sure everything's right. First, I'm checking that we've got the correct panels have been supplied. These ones I can read on there are 275 watts and the voltage is 38.7, just under 40 volts. This one we're going to set up tomorrow, the panels are going to be wired in series. That means on these MC4 connectors, wiring them in series, we've got the positive from one panel plugging into the negative in the other panel, and as you can see they only fit together one way. So we've got that panel connect positive to negative, then we've got the positive coming from the next panel going into our isolator. These isolators are pre-wired by solar bore pumps, a DC isolator, and they'll only wire up to the panels on one side and they'll only fit together one way, with the MC4 connectors plug in correctly that way. And then from the last panel, now if we had 20 panels or a dozen panels, whatever it might be, if they're wired in series, every one of them is just daisy chained together like that on these connectors, and that's called in series. When we put panels in series, the voltages add up. These are just under 40 volts each. So at the isolator, when we plug all that in and stand it up on its frame, we'll be delivering 80 volts. This one's actually going to be 4 panels, so we're going to be about 160 volts, and the controller maximum input voltage is 200. So this is the perfect setup for the installation we're going to complete tomorrow. So that's panels in series. If we were going to put them in parallel, what that would mean is we'll unplug them all. We'll use a different style of connector, but in parallel we'll have the positives together and the negatives together. We'll still be getting double the wattage, but the voltage won't add up. The voltage will still be just under 40 volts. So that's the difference between parallel and series connected. So I'll put it back to series connected for this job. So the MC4 connectors go together like that. They'll only fit together one way. We're making sure that that's where the panels go, and we'll connect the MC4 connectors back up there, and that's just ready and checked, ready to go for tomorrow.